My plants are finally here, and guess what? They're not dead. Hello beautiful plant people, my name is Ayana. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to take care of your plants as simple as possible, and you want to see what plants I have in my collection as well as unbox plants with me, please subscribe to my channel for future planty content. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about my Root Greenhaus plants that finally arrived to me in the mail on August 27th. I have been waiting for these plants for quite a while, and with the current delays of the postal service and just customs and things like that, these plants were in customs for about 20 days and I had actually written them off as being dead. I had actually placed this order July 10th and they sent me a confirmation for the payment. The plants were shipped August 5th, and from there, they moved from Indonesia to Singapore to Hong Kong, and then about August 8th, August 9th, they had arrived at the New York City gateway where it was being checked in by customs. I didn't receive any more notifications after August 9th. Then for some reason they needed further inquiry, and they said they were going to reach out to the seller. I don't think they actually had reached out to the seller, and so for some reason, I have no idea, these plants were sent to Cincinnati on the 26th, I believe, and then sent back to New York City, and where they were delivered to me on August 27th. So these plants were in customs for almost 20 days, and I just assumed that they were going to be dead when they arrived to me. I just had no hopes that they would be in good condition or anything like that. But I'm going to show you what these plants look like and how I am in total complete shock. And I still believe that, they probably sent me replacement plants. I don't know, but something just, I don't know if I got lucky or what, but something seems a little strange about this situation. So anyway, I am going to show you the plants I ordered. I just ordered 2 plants since I've never ordered from this site before. I didn't want to go too crazy. And like I said, I ordered these plants in July when I was slowing down on my plant purchases. The first plant I ordered was the Florida Ghost Mint. And this plant is just simply beautiful. There's no heat damage, no crisping or dry leaves. And this is what made me think that maybe they sent replacements and I just didn't know about it. But it's just hard to believe that these plants would be in customs for 20 days and there's no marring on the leaves. The roots also looked nice and they were nice and plump. I did put them in water for a couple of days, but to not have any dry roots was just really strange. They did come in the typical box, wrapped in tissue and paper and things like that. And forgive me for not unboxing on camera, but when I saw this box on my steps, my patio or whatever, I just had to grab it and unbox these plants. But the second plant I ordered, you guys know I love the Burl Marks. I have the regular one and I've showed it in my spring and summer collection, and I'll link it in the card above. But I ordered the variegated Burl Marks, and again, no crisping, no damage. I'm just wondering how this is possible. I'm not going to be ungrateful or anything, but really just 20 days. Whereas I've had other plants in the mail for just like 10 days, 5 days, and they've just crisped, dry. The roots were not good. But again, I don't get it. But this is the variegated Burl Marks. So as you can see, my first order went pretty well, except for the fact that it was, left in transit for 20 days. I did reach out to the seller. They did say, they would work with me, whether it be a refund or, shipping out the plants. I don't believe it would be a total refund, but they did say, I believe they said they would be about 70%. But I'm glad I didn't have to go down that route. I feel like I'm gonna have to do another order just so I can really assess the situation. When I did unbox the plants, the paper towel that was wrapped around the roots was still moist. as well as the paper around the plant leaves were nice and cool. So I'm just wondering how they weren't dried out, the paper was not warm. I have so many questions. I wanted to go ahead and take the time to let you guys know that I will be posting 2 videos a week. My next video is going to be on DIY moss poles or core poles, depending on which material you want to use. And I do have a couple more subscriber videos coming down the pipe. I am trying to get those out, as well as sprinkle some other videos in that I want to post on the channel. But like I said, I'm going to get 2 videos uploaded a week. And I just want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. You guys mean the world to me. I do want to go ahead and read one planty comment and highlight a subscriber today. This comment comes from Plant Mama Tatiana, and she said that she didn't realize how many varieties there were of the Scindapsus. This comes from my Scindapsus care / collection video. She said they are so gorgeous. What a great definition of indirect light. Such a great way to put it. And I'm so glad I put that, that definition of indirect light, because I feel like a lot of people say what indirect light is, but you kind of still have a question of what it is in your mind and what it looks like in your home. So I'm glad that people enjoyed that video and it really helped them with their Scindapsus. A lot of people went out and got Scindapsus or had Scindapsus that they needed help with. So I'm grateful that you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, I have more videos to come. I just want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. But if you guys want to see more future content, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. It really does help. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.